Fix Hell Let Loose not launching on the Epic Games Launcher. How to fix Hell Let Loose not launching on the Epic Games Launcher. So following these steps to be able to fix this problem. Number one, verify game files. Now open the Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, find Hell Let Loose and click on the three dots next to it. After that, select verify. This will check missing or corrupted files and fix them automatically. Step number two, update graphics drivers. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. Visit the official websites of your GPU manufacturers, NVIDIA, if you have like AMD or Intel, and download the latest drivers. After that, install them and restart your computer. The step number three, run the game as an administrator. Now navigate to the game installation folder. You can find it by going to the Epic Games Launcher, click on the three dots next to the Hell Let Loose game and select in Manage. Right click on the game's executable file .exe and select Run as Administrator. Number four, and step number four, disable background applications. Close unnecessary programs running in the background, especially software like Discord overlays, MSI Afterburner, or other applications that might conflict with the game. Step number five, install missing DirectX or Visual C++ redistributables. So go to the official Microsoft website and download the latest version of DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. And after that, install them and restart your computer. And the step number six and the last step is reinstall the game. If none of the above steps works, try installing and reinstall the game through the Epic Games Launcher. Go to your library, click the three dots next to the game, select to install and reinstall it again and test again. So this is how to fix the Hell Let Loose not launching on the Epic Games Launcher. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.